Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with the exercise 4.3. Already we have done question number 1. Now today we'll be solving question number 2 and question number 3. So question number 2 is solve the following equations. Children, first one is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Please see the equation properly. 2 multiplied by this whole x plus 4. Remember the distributive property. What do we do? A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here this 2 will be multiplied by everything in the bracket. So you will multiply 2 by x first and then 2 by 4. So it will be 2 into x 2x, plus sign will come, and 2 into 4 is 8. 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. So now this becomes easy for you to solve. Here main thing is we are learning to use distributive property for solving of equation. Now children, using transpose, 8 will be transposed, so it will become minus, the operation will change, plus will become minus, 12 minus 8 is 4. Now again 2 will transpose, 4 upon 2 will give you 2, x is equal to 2. Now coming to the C1, it is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So what we will do is 3 multiplied by n first and then 3 multiplied by 5. So it will be 3n minus 3 into 5 is 15, which is equal to minus 21. Now minus 15 getting transposed, it will be minus 21 plus 15. So it will be minus 21 plus 15, plus and minus is minus, so minus 6. So 3n will be equal to minus 6. Now 3 again will be transposed, it is in multiplication, it will get transformed to division. So minus 6 upon 3, which will be equal to minus 2. Now coming to D1, minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. So minus 2 into 2 is, children, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x, because here plus hai and here minus. So minus into plus is what? Minus. Therefore minus 4 into plus x is equal to minus 4x, which will be equal to 8. Now children, minus 8 will get transposed, so it will become plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 4x is equal to 16. Now x will be, children, here this is minus 4 getting multiplied by x. So it will be, we'll transfer this minus 4, it will come in division, 16 upon minus 4. So it will be minus 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Got it? So here next one, last one, 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. Children, another method now, instead of using distributive property, directly when you know 4 into, so you can transpose 4 directly. Both the method, first, second, A, C and D, children, I have explained you with distributive property. Now here directly I am bringing 4 down here. You could have done that way also, 4 into 2 8 and 4 into x 4x. But here I wanted you to understand this method also. So it will be 4 will come this side, that is towards right hand side, so 8 upon 4 is 2. Now 2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 2, because 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 2 minus x is equal to 2. Now minus x will be equal to, this 2 will be changing. So it will become minus 2, because here it was plus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus x is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 0 into, because minus here will go that side, that is into, here it is into minus 1 and here it will be upon minus 1. So 0 upon minus 1 is 0 only. Okay. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3, children. It is again solving of equations. Different kind of equations they have given, so that you will be able to solve all types of equations. Here children, you can see on the left hand side we have the constant value, and on the right hand side they have given the variable. So it is of no problem. It can be solved in a very simple way. Don't get confused at all. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. So same way, distributive property, 5 into p is 5p minus 5 into 2 is 10. Now children, this 4 is equal to 5p minus 10 can be written as 5p minus 10 is equal to 4. Either you write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or you write 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. It is same way children. Here also we are doing the same thing. 4 is equal to 5p minus 10, or it can be written as 5p minus 10 is equal to 4. I hope there is no confusion. Children, here we are not, don't think that we are changing sides so sign will change. No, we are not bringing from here to there. Only thing is we are just equal to sign. We are supposing that the whole left hand side together we are moving towards right hand side, and whole right hand side together towards left hand side. So there won't be any change in any sign. Okay, I have given you this example. 2 plus 2 is 4, or you can write 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. It is same children. So now solving of equation. Now minus 10 will get transposed, so it will become plus 10, so it will be 14. Now 5p, 5 will be transposed, so 14 upon 5. Okay, now b1, minus 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2, so minus 4 will be equal to 5 into p is 5p, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Now it can be written as 5p minus 10 is equal to minus 4. So minus 10 will be transposed, it will become plus 10. So plus 10 minus 4 is 6. So 5p is equal to 6, and p will be equal to 6 upon 5. Okay. Now C1, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Very often children, after explaining it for many times, many students they do this common mistake. They add this 4 and 3 and it goes absolutely wrong. Please don't add 4 and 3 like this. Follow DMAS. We first multiply children. Here it means 3 is getting multiplied by t plus 2. You cannot add 4 and 3 over here. Please remember. So here what are we doing? We are multiplying first. So 3 into t is 3t. 3 into 2 is 6 when you will open the bracket. Okay. Now 4 plus 6 is what? 10. So it is 10 plus 3t. Right. So now it can be written as 10 plus 3t is equal to 16. Either you write 16 is equal to 10 plus 3t, or you can write it as 10 plus 3t is equal to 16. So now 3t will be equal to 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6. So t will be equal to 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2. Now the last question is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Here also don't do 16 plus 4, don't make it as 20. 4 will get multiplied by m minus 6. So before we start solving children, in the beginning itself I am changing the sides. That is 16 plus 4 into m minus 6 is equal to 0. So here it will be 4 into m is 4m, 4 into minus 6 is minus 24, which will be equal to 0. Now 16 minus 24 children, what it will be? Minus 8, because greater number sign. Minus 24 plus 16 is minus 8. Now this minus 8 will get transposed. So 0 plus 8 will be 8 only. So 4 will be transposed. So it will be upon 4. So 8 upon 4 will give you 2. I hope the solution part is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts. Okay. So please try to do the sums again children. Complete your work. Complete this exercise 4.3. See you in the next class. Thank you. Till then, stay blessed.